Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 3 versus the Vivo V17. And the Vivo V17 comes with a Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB of internal storage, which is amazing, while the Oppo Reno 3 comes with a MediaTek Helio P90 chipset with 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, and both phones come with the quad cameras on the back, as guys you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster in this speed test. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first on the Oppo Reno 3, followed by the Vivo V17. And Oppo Reno 3, it is running on the latest software version, which is the Android 10, while the Vivo V17, it is still running on Android 9 Pie, and both phones are on the loading. And you can see definitely Vivo V17 is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Oppo Reno 3, it is right behind there, about 2 or 4 second difference there when it comes to booting up. And guys, you can see that both phones comes with a beautiful display, but we have a punch hole display on the Vivo V17 versus a notch on the Oppo Reno 3, and both phones comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display, which is a really good feature. So without any wasting time, let's see the app's opening speed. So like always, same Wi-Fi network on both phones and everything is closed up in the background, and you can see. And the first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. And you can see that is super quick on the Oppo Reno 3 settings, and again super quick on the Oppo Reno 3. Let's see the mic lock, and again about the same on both phones. My files on both phones, boom, and again about the same on both phones. Calendar, and that is huge faster on the Vivo V17, followed by the Oppo Reno 3. Let's opening up the Amazon shopping, and you can see a little bit faster on the Vivo V17. Next on the list is the Instagram, and you can see about the same on both phones, feels a little bit faster on the Vivo V17. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Spotify, and that is a little bit faster on the Reno 3 this time, followed by the Vivo V17. Now let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see how much it is different between a Snapdragon 675, and you can see a little bit faster on the Vivo V17, which is powered by Snapdragon 675 chipset versus a MediaTek Helio P90 chipset on the Reno 3. Definitely faster on the V17. So now let's see the Subway Surfer, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And again Vivo V17, it is faster there, while the Reno 3, it is right behind. Now let's see the Temper Run 2, and again Vivo V17 is seems like faster there. Yes, it is just a tiny bit faster there than the Vivo V17, and you can see a little bit faster on the Vivo V17 is Edge, and that is about the same on both phones, I have to say. No difference there. And last I'm gonna launch in the cameras on both phones. Here we go, and that is about the same on both phones, no difference there. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17 versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo Reno 3. And the first website I'm gonna launching is the wikipedia.org, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see about the same on both phones. Both phones perform really fast. You can see no lag whatsoever. Next on the list is the wwe.com. Here we go, and you can see Vivo V17 is super quick than the Oppo Reno 3, and now Oppo Reno 3, it is also done, about 1 or 2 second difference there in the loading speed. So let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels smooth on both phones, I have to say. Feels much smoother on the Vivo V17, but I noticed some lags on the Oppo Reno 3 for some reasons, not as smooth as the Vivo V17. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones. Both phones is on their latest software version with 8 GB of RAM and phone dialer, that is not refresh. Settings, again no refresh. My clock, no refresh on both phones. My files, that got refresh on the Reno 3. Calendar, no refresh. Amazon shopping, no refresh on both phones, I have to say. Instagram, no refresh. Let's see the Spotify, and no refresh on both phones. Now let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see no refresh. Subway Surfer, no refresh on both phones. And let's see Temper Run 2, that is also not refresh on both phones. Let's see this Edge, that is also not refresh. And last we are back to the internet browser, which is not refresh on both phones. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is definitely feels faster on the Oppo Reno 3 in system-based application, but the game app loading time it is faster on the Vivo V17, and RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Vivo V17, but one application refresh on the Oppo Reno 3. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 3 and the Vivo V17. Let me know what you guys think about this new Oppo Reno 3, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Oppo Reno 3. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.